this pumpkin spice inspired makeup look. So I am really ready for fall. I don't know how many of you guys are, but I am really ready for fall. So I wanted to share with you guys the two palettes that I used for this look. So the first one I used was the OPV Beauty London, and this is Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. I also used the BoxyCharm Hey Charmers palette and created this look. I hope you guys will enjoy it. All of our disclaimers and our links are in the description. Let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial, shall we? Hey guys, so the first thing I'm going in with is a lotion. So I always go in with some kind of moisturizing lotion. I would have a serum, but I ran out of it. Then I'm going in with my brow stuff. So this is a brow kit, and I really like it, and I love doing my brows. I think your brows really shows off the look very well. Then I'm going in with my NYX HD concealer. I'm cutting those brows and also putting some on my lid, because I also found out from a friend that using concealer on the lid can also help to boost your colors. So I'm taking time from using my primer potion since I'm almost out and using my concealer. Then I'm using my beauty sponge damped. So it's like a beauty blender, but it's an off-brand. It's from Shop Miss A. It still works the same though, and I'm just making sure to blend that all into my skin. Then I'm going in with the OPV Beauty Spotlight palette, and I'm going in with this nice orangey brown color. This just screams pumpkin spice to me when I saw the color, and I've been loving fall looks lately, and so I decided to come up with pumpkin spice, and it actually sounds pretty good. I can't wait for fall time. Fall time is my favorite time of the year, if you didn't know that about me. And here I am just patting that color on both eyelids, making sure to pack it as good as I can, but also blending it into the upper crease, because I want this look to be the #1 look that stands out of the entire look. For the next palette, I'm using the BoxyCharm Hello Charmer palette, and I adore this palette so much. So I'm going in with this like tannish brown color, and it looks more yellow when it's blended in with the orange, but that's kind of what I was going for, because I just want to blend the harsh edges away. So that is what I'm currently doing, and I'll do this on both eyes, and then I'll also go back off camera with more of that orange and kind of dep in the look, because that's what you want to do, is like dep in the look. But also, like I said, I want that orange color to be the main color that stands out. Going back in with that Hello Charmer palette from BoxyCharm, we're going to be taking this as the outer V shade. So I really wanted to dep in this look, but not dep in it too much, because like I said, that orange color, I really wanted to just stand out. But here I am kind of, packing that in, trying to make it as dark as I can get it, but also not making it too dark where it's, the orange isn't the main focus here. So I'm just blending this out. I use a couple different brushes, by the way. I don't know the names of the brushes. Let me see if I could try to figure it out. So the brush that you see right now is from Moda Pro, and it's the shade BMX 466 brush. And then I also used, for patting my orange shadow, I used the, I forget what this one was from, but it is from BoxyCharm. That's all I know. But yeah, here I am using that NYX concealer again to cut out the harsh edges, and also just to clean up my mess. Then off camera, I went back in and fixed the corner and everything. So now for eyeliner, I asked Micah if he thought I should add eyeliner, and he said totally. So that's why I decided to use eyeliner. Typically, I've been loving the no liquid eyeliner look, just because I personally like where the shadows are kind of like the standpoint of the look. But I still went with liquid eyeliner because I took Mika's advice. And so here I am making a really thin, even line, and I was really proud of myself. I took the time to actually line it up properly and make it as nice as possible. And this took forever, so I did cut some of this off because it took forever for one eye. So I just did one eye on camera. Now I'm going in for my lashes. I'm going to curl those lashes, and we're going to apply some mascara because your girl loves some false lashes. And I really hope you guys don't mind the voiceovers. I know they're super annoying and long and this and that, but I tried using some music that was non-copyrighted through iMovie, and it still copyrighted my video. So I had to do a voiceover on my last couple makeup tutorials because of that reason. So if you know any free non-copyrighted makeup tutorials, can you please message me on Instagram at the story of Shawna, because I really need some non-copyrighted free music to download to sometimes put in my makeup tutorials for you guys, because I don't want it to just be talking and it be boring for you guys and stuff like that. Because let's be real, I would love to be jamming to some music right now. I actually was hearing music while I was doing my makeup, and I wish you guys could hear it because I found some really awesome music. So after I apply my lashes and stuff like that and done my eyeliner, I am just applying the outer crease, or no, the outer V-shaped brown that I showed you, and then that orange shade on my lower lash line. And I'm just using a really nice, precise brush. Let me see if I can find that brush so I could tell you guys. So this one is actually by BH Cosmetics, and the name has sadly came off of it. Also, it's storming, so if you hear the storm, I'm sorry. Now I'm going in with the Imaginative eyeliner by Morphe Brushes X Lucky Charms. And that was my, it's like an orangey shade with like some sparks in it, like sparkles. So I really thought about like spices and stuff, so I added that to my waterline. Then I went in with the mascara to my lower lashes, and now I'm doing my foundation. So lately I have been forgetting to apply my lashes after applying foundation, because I've poked my eye so many times. So I decided to use a brush today instead of just going in with the sponge, and I'm just blending my foundation all out. And here I am, just blend, 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 blend. Guys, I freaking love doing tutorials for you guys. I love the hype. I love being able to help people. I love being able to inspire people. But just know that you're beautiful without makeup, though. I typically just do makeup because I love how it looks, and I love being creative. But I also love not having any makeup on. Trust me, it's a lot. Here I am doing my highlight in my inner corner, and I'm also adding highlight to my face. I love this highlight. I'm so sad that it's out. It's Ofra Cosmetics Star Island highlight, and it has been my go-to highlight since I have been doing tutorials, and you guys have known this. Then I'm doing some bronzer. I haven't done bronzer in quite some time, and I thought, during fall season, we all want a little bit of a dark tone to our skin. So that's what I'm doing, just applying the bronzer. And I love this e.l.f. Cosmetics bronzer that my sister-in-law gave me. I really like how it looks, and it blends very, very well. Like, I'm really shocked because I used to have an e.l.f. bronzer and it sucked. But this just works so good, and it blends well. And yeah, so now I'm going in with some blush, and this is the e.l.f. blush that's with that bronzer. And again, her blush for some reason is actually really blendable. Again, I used to try e.l.f. blushes and they weren't as blendable as this one. This one's definitely blendable. So then I wipe off all that excess from my brush, and I go in to actually blend everything together. And then for lips, I'm going in with the Ace Beauty lip liner in So Peachy, or Be Peachy, sorry. And I'm lining my lips. I actually had to redo it because I noticed that I was looking down. You guys couldn't see. For lipstick, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Sultry Sienna 250, and this is a really good shade. So here's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And also comment down below if you guys are loving the fall looks and if you guys want to see some more. Until next time, peace, guys.